Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from your video or photo using InShot video editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. To remove something from your photo, you can use object remover feature on InShot. Well, let me open up my photo. Okay, and for example, I'm going to remove this text from my photo. We just need to go to the remove option and then we're going to select basic, or if you have InShot Pro you can choose advanced, and I'm going to use basic. And you can customize the brush right here, and then just brush the text or any object that you want to remove and click on the check mark. And as you can see guys, that the text has been removed from my photo. But if you want to remove text from your video, you need to do a trick because InShot doesn't have feature to remove object from video. Okay, I'm going to remove this text, this watermark from this video. I'm going to duplicate this video first. Tap on the video and then you can choose duplicate menu. Okay, this one, and then you're going to make it as an overlay, so you can select the switch button like this and make sure that the second photo is aligned with the first. Make sure that the first video is aligned with the second video. And then we're going to use mask to cover the text. And for the mask, I'm going to choose the rectangle mask and choose another part of the video to cover the text. And I'm going to select this part, okay, because this part will be suitable to cover it. And I'm going to click on the check mark, and then we're going to drag the mask to cover the text. And you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And to make it more natural, you can adjust the feather. Okay, customize the feather guys. You can also customize the brightness or the filter. Okay, and I think it looks better. And wait, let me go to the filter or the adjustment to make it better. Okay, just like this. And now it's done. And as you can see that the text has been removed from my video. But yeah, I know that we cannot apply this trick to all types of video, especially when the video is so complicated. But yeah, at least here you know the trick. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove text from your photo or your video using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.